Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are the lines we drew yesterday. As you can see, Nifty has perfectly respected, once again, just like yesterday, Nifty has perfectly respected the support and resistance that we have drawn. And so let's see where is Nifty headed to. As usual, let's delete all the drawings that we drew yesterday. And start from scratch. First on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, let's look for a bias. The bias is bullish. Why is it bullish? Because this swing low is much higher than this swing low. So higher low means buyers are buying with confidence at a higher level. So it is bullish. What are the important levels? The previous ATH. That's the place where big sellers are. Support is previous swing high. It had indeed acted as a bullion support. Previous swing low, and then there is the center, the midpoint of the bodies of these two candles. It's approximately 25,000. Why am I taking these two candles? Because if this rally continues higher, then these two were an order block where big money gathered orders from retailers like you and me. Now moving on to the weekly candle. Yesterday we were not sure of what the bias is. Let's see what is the bias. Do we have anything here? Okay, so this was a swing low. This swing low should ideally have been protected for the bullish bias to sustain, but we made another swing low that's lower than this previous swing low. So the bullish bias is invalidated. Now it has to make a lower high for a bearish bias. So, well, or another swing low that's higher than this. So right now I stick to this, that I have no bias on a weekly time frame. Go to a daily time frame. Daily time frame yesterday was bullish, today is also bullish. See this low and this low. It has made a higher low and it is bullish. So it is moving higher to where it can. So if it decides to come down, then on a daily time frame, you see these two candles were an order block by the big money. So the mid of that could act as a good support. Now, where can this go up to? The target is 26,325. That was a flat top. That is the target for Nifty. Is there anything else that I want to mark up here? No, nothing. Quickly, let's move on to the lower time frame. That's the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, this high was a major high. It was taken out. It can be retested. So if it retests, if Nifty decides to come down to retest this level, I may go long on Nifty. So I shall just set an alert. Somehow the alert is not working. Well, I'll add it tomorrow, but this is the level for a retracement trade. interesting level, and then the trade could go until this level, 26,325. No, okay, there comes the level created. Now moving on to the, okay, is there any other levels, important levels to watch out for here? Nothing. This is the 4-hour time frame. And do I have a bias? I do not have a bias here because Nifty has to create a swing low and then go higher. It need not just go higher like that. It can just come down, create a swing low, and then go. Well, it all depends. If tomorrow turns out to be ultra bullish, Nifty may just open a gap up and then rally. Could be what we call a Santa Claus rally. 1-hour time frame, Nifty is bullish. It has created a higher low here. And once again, a retest of this level is what I would look for to initiate a trade. In a 1-hour time frame, this is a good level for Nifty to reach. $26,200. That is all. I hope we've got a plan to trade for tomorrow. That's all from my side. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. Whatever is presented here is only for education purpose. Thank you.